Good morning, dear students. Now we are into the new chapter, that is rural administration. So, dear students, in a village, they will have many problems. May it be a family problem or individual problems, a problem related to land or any other education or public facilities problems. All these will be sorted out by who? By Gram Panchayat, Nai Panchayat, Gram Sabha. Everyone, they will be there to solve the problems which are faced in the village. But suppose if the sarpanch, if he is not able to solve these issues, then who has to solve this? Who will they who will be there to solve these kind of situations and the problems which are existed in the village? Here comes the role of police and procedure to report a crime which has happened in the village. So let us now see how a police officer is going to be report a crime which has occurred in the village and how it is going to solve by them and what are their roles and responsibility with regard to this. A very good morning, dear students. As I said, there are many professions or the occupation which helps us to keep society with a peace and calm. So one of the major responsibility of such kind of occupation is profession is police. So when the matters in the villages have not been solved, the next authority is which comes into picture is in solving the conflicts or the crime which has taken place in the village level or in any urban or in any place, that is the police. Here there is an example given in the your textbook. So let me read and explain. In the village of Bhagwatpur, Sanjay, a person called Sanjay who owned a small agricultural field. Next to his land was the land of Gansham, who was a relative of the Sarpanch of their village. Gansham wanted to expand his land. Thus, one day he asked Sanjay to sell a portion of his land to him. However, Sanjay did not agree to the offer. Gansham threatened Sanjay and forced him to grant him the land. Being helpless, Sanjay gave a big portion of his land to Gansham. As Sanjay returned home, his wife and friends advised him to report this case to higher authorities. So, which higher authority do you think Sanjay should contact to seek help in this case? Is it a panchayat or police? So, in short, I would like to explain. A village called Bhagwatpur. Bhagwatpur is a village in which Sanjay used to live. So, Sanjay had an agricultural land. So, he was having an agricultural land. So next to his agricultural land, there was a land of whom? Ganasham's. So Sanjay and Ganasham's land was next to, besides the Sanjay land, Ganasham land was existed. So what this Ganasham did in order to expand his agricultural land, he asked Sanjay to give his land to him. So this Ganasham was a relative of whom? Ganasham was a relative of Sarpanch. That is Sarpanch. Who is a Sarpanch? He is the head of the Panchayat Raj who takes decision and he solves the problems of the village. So because of this, the Ganasham, what he did, as he wanted to expand his land, his agricultural land. So whatever he was having the land, it was not sufficient for him. So what he tried, as he was selfish, he asked Sanjay to give his land to him. So what did he do? One day he asked Sanjay to sell a portion of his land to him. So however, Sanjay was not agreed to give him the land, but the Ganesham and threatened whom? Sanjay, and forced him to grant him the land. So there was a quarrel and even there was some conversation between the Ganesham and Sanjay with regard to the agricultural land. Finally, the Sanjay allowed to give the land to whom? Ganesham. So he was helpless. He was not able to do nothing. So whatever the Ganesham said, he agreed with the Ganesham words and he just given his portion of land to Ganesham. So when he returned home, his wife and friends, what did they say with regard to the land? They advised them to report the case against Ganesham to higher authorities. So who will be the higher authorities? Next, the panchayat. If the panchayat raj is unable to solve this kind of problem, so the people in the villages, they might approach to whom? Police. So here comes the picture of role of police in the rural administration. Basically, agriculture will be the main occupation as we see in the village, correct? So, students, agriculture which was practiced by the Sanjay, when he gave his own land to the Ganesha, what would be his status? How can he live his life? How can he take care of his wife or the children? So, what he did, he asked his, as per his wife and friends' advice, he took this case to the police station. So, as I said, agriculture is the main occupation which will be